How to see WhatsApp one-time photo again. Now, before we dig deep into the troubleshooting steps, the first thing you'll have to make sure is you are currently running with the updated version of the WhatsApp. Simply go to your Play Store and look for What's application. Now you'll be able to know if your WhatsApp needs an updating because there will be a button there that says update. So just have to do that so it will automatically update by itself and make sure that there will be no problems on updating your WhatsApp. Now let's go ahead and straight into the tutorial. So head to your WhatsApp, go to the three dots at the upper right hand of the screen, go to settings, and from here scroll down a bit till you find chats. Now scroll down and click on chat backup. Now, why are we doing this? This is for us to be able to re-access or for us to go ahead and have an access with that specific photo again. So you just have to click on backed up. Then after clicking on backed up, you'll have to go to your phone's file manager. Once you're here, you just go to storage and then go to Android, then go to data. All right, so you just go back and go to media and then scroll down to com.whatsapp. Click on WhatsApp. Now this is gonna be where that specific photo will show up. So just click on media and then go to the WhatsApp photos. Now if this doesn't work, then all you have to do after doing this process is just try to uninstall your WhatsApp application, try to reinstall it again, and then you go back to this folder right here, go to the WhatsApp photos or images, and that's how you can access that specific one-time photo again. So that's it. It's how easy you can access the photo or you will see WhatsApp one-time photo again.